Okay, guys, welcome again to another video. My name is God's Gift to Lumo, and I'll be your guy in Python in Pidgin. So, this video now two parts. The first part or the project we're going to do, we'll do only Python validation, and then the next part we'll do username and password validation. So that's the goal of this project. So now two videos now will basically come up. So first of all, I say make I take on again for the like, the share, and the subscribe. So what we want to do, we want to do a scenario where we say, that login verification part. Where we say person go enter username, then you go enter the password. If the password not the correct with which it don't register before, it will show error. If it is correct, it will show login. So now we'll just do with Python to express that concept. So like I said, the first part of this, we'll only check only the password. Now only the password will validate. Although we'll still check the username so that may two username not they inside the system. So the system don't forget or the application don't forget one person or two persons they share the same username. You get the idea. But now only password will they validate for login. Then the next one will go validate both username and the password. The person has to enter the username and the password, and both of them must be correct. So most start. This first one will use list. So I'll create a list called users, or let's say users. Create an empty list. Then I will just create password as empty string. Then the next place we'll go into make the person enter username. So I'll write username equal to input enter your username. So this is username with the person will register. If you just write register your username, then we'll run an if if the username with the person enter not in our user list, then what we want to say, we want password, we want the person to now enter a password. So password is equal to input. Same way, we'll now write enter your password. So now this time we'll not give much conditions like the password length and the rest. We just do basic stuff. We can decide to say we want the password length be nothing less than 5 and thereabout, but we're not looking into that for this project. Now the concept now we just did behind. so enter the password, and then the next thing we'll do, we'll say username users is equal to users dot append user name. If you just still leave it like this, user dot append username s print statement, go take something like username already existing. So this is logically the idea. So I will run this code. So done. Then I'll run this part of the code. So it's prompting me to enter a register name. So I'll enter Python and then click enter. So Python not did there before. So password, all right? Pass Python. Then that's all. So if I come back again and my write Python, so you tell me, prompt me out to say username already existing, because if we come here and print our users, the list, we find I say Python already there as form of username. So if we do that again, if we get Python again. So this part of the code is already working. Another thing I want to do, I want make this thing lower so that I want me not the key sensitive. So everything where they go inside the list, I want me be you know, for example, now I rerun this code again. So if I enter Python with capital letter Python, it's going to work this time. If I write pass word is equal to 11224433, it go run this time. Then if I rerun our password, say we get Python capital letter, but I don't want me this. I want maybe say Python everything are small letter. So just for clarity's sake, so I would rerun this cell again and rerun this. So register username, then I write Python. Anyway I write them, go even if I write them cap Python, then pass Python. So we are done. So you see Python is already there. Yeah, I want me if write print successful, so that the user are going to say which do is successful. Or if you write registration successful, okay. Excuse me. All right, so we've done that. Then the next thing we will do now to validate the password. So let's say we'll ask the person login. After that, we'll ask the person login. It's equal to ask impute. Then we'll ask the question. If you say enter yes if you wish to log in, or if you say enter yes to sign in, or no to exit, yeah, something like that. So we'll do this like this. Then we'll run an if statement. If our login, that I won't give the user, I'm going to make this thing lower again because I want maybe say if you catch with the user the enter, if you go, because the possible user if you enter yes, if you enter yes, if you still enter y, if you enter yes, all of this. So I won't just trace them back to a small letter, you understand? So if login in this time, I won't give the user benefit of doubt. I'll write in yes or just y. Then shift. Then I want us to print or do password check, because person already gets this stuff. So password check equal to impute. Just let the person enter your password. See, so enter your password. Then we run on that if again. If the password when the person enter password check, check, yeah, is equal to our password with the person already enter before. Now you see, say this password will do not just one stuff. We are not doing it for multiple users. This is just one users. So understand it very well. If one user for multiple users, then it's another thing. But I just want given at the concept of waiting password validation simply means. So if it's equal to, if password check is equal to password, then we'll write print successful, sign in successful, s we want may print incorrect password. All right, so incorrect password. So this is then we'll need to exit this our last if, because if the person enter no, one will print something like it's to see you leave, just something like this. So this is the core part on our code. So we've collected we create a list to collect the user string to collect password. Then we ask the person for a username. We test if the username is already in our list. If it's not there, ask for the password and append the username. Then registration successful. After the person does not else, we see username already existing. Then we'll ask the person if the person wants to log in with yes to sign in or no to exit. Then if yes or why, we'll ask the person to enter the password, and then we check for the password. We sign if the password is equal to, say sign is successful, or we would just say incorrect password. Then or else we take the person back to A to see you go. So we run this as set. So let's just start with no first. So you see we ate to see you leave. By the way, anything the person enter, even if you enter anything here, you go right with A to see you leave. Now we can also correct this part to ensure say the person really type no, so that in case the person type any word like this, will tell the person incorrect option. So we can do that, but that's not what we are looking at. So we just type yes, and then we tell the person enter password. I don't remember the password I enter for the other one, so let me just enter 1122. So it's showing incorrect password. So let me try to remember. I think I wrote pass Python, something like this. Now I write as the password. So I'm saying we ate to see you leave. Why? Let me rewrite the username. So must see the password when I write, rather password. Let me print password. Okay, copy it. Just copy this, and let's come back to this our code, and we run our code with yes. Then Ctrl V, which is Python. All right, so everything is working nice. So we have success, sign in successful. So this is the idea about just password validation. So password validation, what they do. Remember, I tell us if we track this part to ensure saying I only know that the person enter for us to get this part. All right, guys. So that's the end. We'll do another one. That one will talk about username and the password validation. We'll check the two before the person will log in. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video, which is part 2 of this. Bye for now.